Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robot vacuums. We will be comparing two popular models from iRobot, the iRobot Roomba 692 and the iRobot Roomba 694. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in. The iRobot Roomba 692 is a sleek and premium robot vacuum priced at $269. It features a 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes that effectively grab dirt from both carpets and hard floors. It also has an edge-sweeping brush to take care of corners and edges. The Roomba 692 can learn your cleaning habits and offer personalized cleaning schedules. It can be controlled through the iRobot Home app or with your voice using Google Assistant or Alexa. With adaptive navigation and advanced sensors, it can easily navigate around furniture and avoid falling down stairs. It also has dirt detect sensors that identify dirtier areas of your home and clean them more thoroughly. The Roomba 692 provides a daily clean and can run for up to 90 minutes before automatically docking and recharging. The iRobot Roomba 694 is priced at $274 and offers some unique features. It also has a 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes for effective cleaning on carpets and hard floors. It comes with an edge-sweeping brush to tackle corners and edges. The Roomba 694 offers personalized cleaning suggestions powered by the unique intelligence of iRobot OS. It learns your habits and routines, making your cleaning experience even more convenient. Similar to the Roomba 692, it can be controlled through the iRobot Home app and voice assistants. It has advanced sensors for navigation and cliff detect to prevent falls. The Roomba 694 also features dual multi-surface brushes that flex to adjust to different floor types. It has a runtime of 90 minutes before automatically docking and recharging. Now let's compare the iRobot Roomba 692 and the iRobot Roomba 694 side by side in a few key categories. First, let's look at the price. The Roomba 692 is priced at $269, while the Roomba 694 is priced at $274. The price difference is minimal, so it ultimately comes down to personal preference and specific features you value. In terms of cleaning performance, both the Roomba 692 and the Roomba 694 offer a 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes for effective cleaning on carpets and hard floors. They also have edge-sweeping brushes to tackle corners and edges. However, the Roomba 694 has the advantage of iRobot OS intelligence, which provides personalized cleaning suggestions based on your habits and routines. When it comes to smart features, both the Roomba 692 and the Roomba 694 can be controlled through the iRobot Home app and voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa. They offer scheduling options and voice command capabilities. The Roomba 692 has adaptive navigation and dirt detect sensors, while the Roomba 694 also includes advanced sensors for navigation and iRobot's patented dirt detect technology for more focused cleaning. Based on online reviews, customers have provided positive feedback for both the iRobot Roomba 692 and the iRobot Roomba 694. Here are some sentiments from the reviews. So, which iRobot Roomba is the right choice for you? If you're looking for a sleek design and great value for money, the iRobot Roomba 692 might be the perfect fit. On the other hand, if you want the added intelligence of iRobot OS and personalized cleaning suggestions, the iRobot Roomba 694 might be your best bet. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences when making your decision. That's all for today's comparison on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful product comparisons. Stay smart and happy shopping.